Hello, my name is Shaira. I'm a nursing student from McGill University, and I'm also a member of SIM. And today I'm going to present some information about pregnancy termination, which is also known as abortion. So these are some common questions about abortion, like do all abortions require surgery? Are abortions free for asylum seekers in Canada? And are there major health risks associated with abortion? During this presentation, I'm going to go over the answers to these questions. So if you are pregnant, here are some of the options available for you. You can decide to raise a child, you can decide on adoption, you can decide on having an abortion, which is what the rest of this presentation will focus on. This is not an easy decision to make, so to help you make the right choice for you, you can speak with a family doctor or with a women's health clinic. So what is an abortion? Well, an abortion is a safe medical procedure that ends a pregnancy. Abortions are fully legal in Canada, and the timing for abortions is important. So you want to count from the first day of your last menstrual period to understand how far along you are. In Montreal, most clinics will provide abortions up to 18 weeks. You can get an abortion in Montreal up to 23 weeks as well. So you can take your time in making a decision, so please do not feel rushed or pressured. However, if you are planning on having an abortion, it's best not to delay seeing a doctor, as an earlier abortion will be easier on your body. So there's two kinds of abortions. There's surgical abortions and medical abortions. The surgical abortion can be done in the first 5 to 23 weeks in Montreal. For the surgical abortion, it's done in a clinic where a doctor will remove the pregnancy tissue from your uterus, and only one visit is required. For a medical abortion, it can be done up to 9 weeks of pregnancy, and for the medical abortion, the doctor prescribes 2 types of medications that you take at home, 24 to 48 hours apart. For the medical abortion, 2 visits are required. Some doctors will require that you come see them again, and others will require that you get a blood test at a clinic near you. In either case, the second appointment will take place 2 weeks later. The goal of the second appointment is to make sure the abortion was effective and to evaluate for any potential complications. So what should you expect from a surgical abortion? The appointment takes 1 to 2 hours, and the procedure itself takes 5 to 7 minutes. There may be mild or moderate pain during the procedure. You will not be put to sleep for the abortion, but medication is used to block the pain, however you are awake. You may have no or light to moderate bleeding for up to 3 weeks after the procedure. Side effects of the abortion may include nausea, drowsiness, and cramping. After the procedure, someone should come with you for your return home, and you may need to stay home the day of the abortion and sometimes more. For a medical abortion, the appointment takes 1 to 2 hours, and the medication takes 2 to 6 hours after the second pill. The medical abortion may feel like a heavy period with moderate to strong pain after the second pill. Moderate to severe bleeding with light bleeding up to 3 weeks may occur. Side effects may include nausea and chills. It is recommended to have support at home when you take the second pill, and you may need to stay home for the day of the second medication and sometimes more, up to a week. So how should you prepare for an abortion? It's recommended to wear comfortable clothing and avoid wearing long sleeve shirts. You may wear a sanitary pad as well. You may have a light meal before the procedure, but avoid drinking alcohol or any drugs. You may buy a warm or hot water bottle beforehand to help with any pain or cramping. And it is important to bring your health documentation. So how much will it cost? The interim federal health plan covers abortions for asylum seekers. So you will be able to get an abortion, surgical or medical, for free if you choose. However, only certain clinics will accept your health coverage. If you pay at the clinic, you will not be able to get reimbursed. So where can you go for an abortion? You can go to Clinic Morgan Taylor, which is made of an all-women team of doctors, nurses, and assistants who speak English, French, Spanish, Italian, and Hindi. You can also go to the Centre de Santé de Femmes, which is made of another all-women team. Lastly, you can call the Montreal Abortion Appointment Center. This is a phone line that can help you make an appointment, and you can speak to somebody in either French or English. So in summary, the surgical abortion requires one visit, it's fast, it's done in the presence of medical staff, and complications are rare. The surgical abortion does require accompaniment home. The medical abortion can be done in the comfort of your home. It's less invasive. Complications are rare for the medical abortion as well. You may have increased bleeding and pain with the medical abortion, and it requires 2 visits. So these are the questions I showed at the start of the presentation. Let's go over the answers. So all abortions do not require surgery. Abortions are free for asylum seekers in Canada. Major health risks are not commonly associated with abortions. What is the most important thing to bring to an appointment? It is your health documents. And where can you go to make a decision? You can go to Clinic Morgan Taylor or the Centre de Santé de Femmes. So this brings us to the end of our presentation. I hope everybody can make an informed decision about abortions, and thank you so much for listening.